Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Sahira. In this video, let us see how to remember programs for your C and C++ subject examination. Most of the students are confused, they are worried, they are stressed about the programs and they are not getting how to write the program. Most of the students are struggling to go with the program. So in this video, let us have a look at how to remember programs in C and C++. By watching this video, you will get the clarity what you have to do with the programs in this subject. No need to worry, no need to think this or that. You just be relaxed, be confident, be calm and watch this video. Watch the video till end, and if you are new to our channel Learn with Sahira, subscribe it for more videos and don't forget to share this video with your friends too. If you want the notes of C and C++, you can text me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is Learn with Sahira. I will be giving you easy, simple and clear to understand notes which are prepared by me. Okay, so if you want the notes, you let me know on my Instagram. But note, payment is must. I repeat, payment is must. Keeping this aside, let us get started with our video how to remember programs for your C and C++ exam. First thing is understand the logic, okay? Don't just memorize. As I have already shown you the structure of C program in our multiple videos, yes, in unit number 1 explanation, in our cheat sheet of theory. Yes, we have discussed about the cheat sheet, right? And also we have went through short questions. In that I have clearly shown you the structure, right? Whatever the program you are to write in C and C++, there is a structure. In English, how you are having a structure for summary, like about the author, about the story, summary, then explanation of conclusion, right? What you are concluding at the last, you will be writing, right? So these are the four steps. In the same way, in the C and C++, you are having a structure like header file. Header file is nothing but include stdio.h. Yes, then we have main function, right? We will be giving the data type integer or character or float. Then we will be giving our main function, main parenthesis. We will be opening the curly braces or flower braces. Then down of the main we will be declaring the variable declaration will be there. Then we will be providing the logic or the statement or the code. Then we will be writing return 0 semicolon and then we will be closing the flower braces. So this is the structure. Based on that structure, what you need to write in the logic, you just need to be perfect with that. Just understand the logic, okay? That logic or the statement which you are writing after the main function, that you need to understand, okay? When you understand the why, that why behind the code, you will remember it better. Why I need to write this? If you question on that, you will be remembering it, okay? Write programs by hand. Don't just see or don't just watch the video. You try to write like syntax, then flow, first header file, then main function. So go with that statement, like go with that flow, you will get to know how to write the programs. Break programs into small parts like input, then logic, then output. As I gave you the structure, go with that structure. Structure is very important, ma. I'm repeating it again and again, means you just assume how important is the structure. If you are perfect with the structure, you are perfect with the program, okay? Whatever the question they might give you, you just need to focus on logic. The complete structure will be same. Use simple examples, ma. Very big examples and very long examples have been given in your study materials, but the students who took my notes, they will be finding that I have given you short and easy example programs. But when you compare my notes with study materials, in study materials very long what do you call programs and examples have been given. So don't go with that. Instead of going with that, you go with easy and simple programs in order to get the full marks and in order to not get the confusion. Okay, big program से जाने से बेहतर छोटे program से start करो, जैसे कि find factorial or add two numbers or multiplication table, like that. Repeat aloud. So when you are going with the program, out loud to yourself or a friend will not be available, right? So only a few hours are left for your examination. You just need to read aloud, right? Say the word outside, like include. stdio dot h main function integer data types like that. You just go with it. Make sure short notes or flowcharts. The people who took my notes, no need to go with this point short notes or flowcharts, because already I have given you in my notes. Okay, so use mnemonics. Okay, so this is nothing but what do you call magic. Okay, use magic for syntax. Actually it is magic. Okay, so for example, remember printf, the formatted output. Already you know, I think printf is used for the output, scanf is used for the input. So you just need to understand the names and the syntax. Okay, practice common programs like sum of two numbers, factorial using recursion, arrays and loops, switch statements, simple class and object in C. You leave this fifth one. Okay, in fifth one you will be having the choice, and sometimes they may not ask you the program. So you just be perfect with this four, and do while do while and if else, that programs also you see. Okay, time yourself, like practice writing programs within a time limit to stimulate exam conditions. Very less time will be given in your examination. You need to make sure you manage the time perfectly. Okay, stay calm and confident. Don't panic if you forget something. Try to recall step by step. As I said, you if you get the structure, you will get to what is there. Okay, after one step the other step will come, after that step the other step will come. So like that you need to understand the program in step by step format. Okay, so if you want the main and the basic programs, like if you want me to show what will come after what, let me know in the comment section. I will try to explain you each and every program. Okay, like writing the program and explaining it, why this will come here, why that will come here. I'm so sorry. So if you want that video, please let me know in the comment section. I will see how many people will comment for that video. If more of the people comment for that video, I will be explaining you each and every program. Okay, how the structure will be, what you have to write here, what you have to write there, all the things. Okay, so this was the video how to remember the programs. Please, again, I'm saying you don't go with the long or big programs or examples. Just go with the short. Okay, like if you feel like one program have been given that is so long, you just search for the shorter form of it. You will be getting multiple programs like that, short forms. Okay, so if you are having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. For notes, you can text me on my Instagram, Learn with Sahira. But note payment is must. Don't waste your time, don't waste my time. If you are ready to take the notes, then only you text me. Okay, see you all in the next video. All the very best. Very, 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 very best. Bye bye.